Hello, my name is Rob Reynolds, and in this video I'm going to show you how to factor the sum and difference of two cubes. The basic formula for this is x cubed plus y cubed is write down the bases, you square the first, take the product, square the last. First you keep this sign, then you change it, and the last one will always be plus. I'll show you what I mean with an easy example. If I just have x cubed plus 8, in order to write down the bases you have to think about what numbers are being cubed. So this one, x is being cubed and 2 is being cubed in order to get to the 8, because 2 cubed is 8. So I wouldn't put the signs in until the end. So the rule says you square the first, take the product, square the last. First you keep this sign, so if it's a plus, just keep it. Then you change it, the last one's always plus. Here's another example. Notice that if they give you 8x cubed, your first goal is to come up with some number that's being cubed. So you have to think about what the bases are. So 2 cubed is 8, and x cubed is the x cubed, and of course the base for 27 is 3. So once you have the bases, 2x is a base, and 3 is a base, then you apply the rule. You square the first for 2x squared, you take the product, you square the last, and notice again, first you keep this sign minus, then you change it, the last one. So here's the last example. You have to come up with what's being cubed here. So in this case, I think 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. 27 we know is 3 cubed and y. So if I ask for the bases, you should give me a 4 and a 3y, and I would not put the signs in until the end because I don't want you to get confused on what the signs are should be over here, because the signs are always first you keep it, then you change it, last one's always plus. So the rule says you square the first base, take the product of the bases. This is why I don't want you to worry about the signs yet. It's just 12y. We'll worry about if it's positive or negative at the end. And then square the last. 3y times 3y is 9y squared. So first you keep it. That's a minus. Then you change it. And the last one is always plus. And then you check to see if you can factor some more, but I don't think you can. So this ends the video of factoring the sum and difference of two cubes. You write down the bases, you square the first, you take the product, square the last. First you keep the sign, then you change the sign, and the last one's always plus. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks.